The people who end up winning aren't the ones who pushed hardest. They're the ones who stopped fighting what was never theirs to fight. Most pain in life comes from 4 words. Swimming against the current. The timing isn't right, you force it anyway. The relationship is done, you hold on anyway. The capacity isn't there, you fake it anyway. The outcome is set, you resist it anyway. That's how most people live. At war with time. At war with people. At war with reality. At war with themselves. The highest wisdom is simpler. 3 words. Follow the pattern. Not giving up. Not going numb. Not quitting. Just, stop wasting force. Where force was never the answer. The people who see the patterns clearly don't get tired. Only the ones who brute force everything end up broken. Most people misread this. They think doing less means doing nothing. No. It means, give everything to what matters. Release everything that doesn't. Stop replaying old wounds. Stop arguing with people who aren't listening. Stop building anxiety about a future that hasn't arrived yet. The ordinary person leads with emotion. The strong person leads with clarity. Emotion follows. The less you fight for, the more flows to you. That's not a paradox. That's a pattern. The one who doesn't contend. Nothing in the world can contend with them. Stop fighting for small things. And the small things stop mattering. Stop chasing approval. And disappointment disappears. Stop grasping at reputation. And the mind goes quiet. Do the work. Want nothing back. That's not resignation. That's freedom. The hardest thing to accept. You don't control as much as you think. You don't control outcomes. You don't control other people. You don't control loss. You don't control change. Most suffering lives in that gap. Between what happened and what you demanded should happen instead. The trained mind does one thing differently. It allows. Allows the low season. Allows the loss. Allows the end of things. Allows imperfection. Not because it's weak. Because it knows. Resistance to reality is the only thing that makes reality unbearable. Your anxiety is not from what happened. It's from what you refuse to let be. The world celebrates hardness, toughness, aggression, dominance. But water, the softest thing that exists, carves through stone. Not by force. By persistence and flow. The sharpest blade breaks first. The loudest person loses the room fastest. 2 rigid things collide, both shatter. Real strength doesn't look like strength. It's calm when the situation demands panic. It's soft when the room expects a fight. It's still when everyone else is spinning. Don't argue. Don't collide. Don't resist fate. Know when to turn. Know when to wait. Know when to walk away clean. Hardness is instinct. Softness is mastery. In the end, you're not competing for money, status, or connections. You're competing for one thing. The ability to stay clear. When everything around you breaks down, do the work. Then let go of the outcome. Push hard when it's time to push. Exit cleanly when it's time to exit. Go quiet when it's time to build. Smile when it's time to release. Half a life building in the world. Half a life coming home to yourself. Act fully. Own nothing. That's not a philosophy. That's the only game worth playing.